on the left, you see Jericho under the mountain. Then, but that's what grows here very well. But we have very big dates. More. This is all here, tourist industry. So people come and go from the Dead Sea, they stop the buses here, they buy pottery, they buy souvenirs. No tourists, no problems, nothing. Some of them, plantations here are irrigated by the sewage water of Jerusalem. So when you go to the toilet in Jerusalem, no, when the water comes with the Jordan River,
So, tamaan ko, grabe.
Wala, negative 300.
Sa above sea level. Ayun.
when the water comes, Jordan River from Mount Hermon into the Kinneret, Sea of Galilee, then down to the Dead Sea, then they don't have where to go.
Yeah.
So the water comes, and of course they have some minerals, salts, calcium, whatever. It all settled down here. Now this is the size of the Dead Sea today, and because of different reasons, which maybe I'll talk about later, the sea level of the Dead Sea is coming down 1 meter every year. So the shoreline moves. Now we're turning, we came down all the way, and here we're turning north. You see the map?
Yes.
This is Highway 90 that goes from Eilat, the border south,
Alam, layo pala ng Eilat.
from Eilat,
Oh,
Red Sea,
Eilat is very far.
to, this is Highway 90, goes here on the side of the Dead Sea,
Next time
up
we go to Eilat.
around the Kinneret here or here. We'll be here a few hours today, to the sources of the Jordan, which are Mount Hermon, which in the winter covered by snow, and Israelis go to make ski there. What we are going to do today is we're going to spend time on the north of the Kinneret. There are some very interesting churches that have to do with the history of Jesus Christ. Ruti will come from Nazareth to guide us, and she will tell you about herself. She has a very interesting story. And then later we'll go to here, to Nazareth, to see my finger in the mountains of the Galilee at the edge, and we'll visit some other sites that have to do with Jesus. So by the time I bring you back, you'll be better Christians. One day of Catholic visit in the Holy Land. On the right, it's already Jordan.
May wala
The
pa ang
mountains there are the same Jordan. I'm sorry.
Tanong ka
Didn't have
ma...
time to provide you with a
Sabi may mga explain.
The mountains are down the side.
Tulog.
If you remember the story of John the Baptist baptizing Jesus, remember the story? In the Jordan River.
Explanation.
That happened approximately here. I'll show you later. Ceremony, whatever John the Baptist prepared for him, came a pigeon and stood on its shoulder. You know the story?
Yes,
No.
yes.
It's because you ran away from the service. But this happened here. There are some churches here commemorate the footsteps of Jesus. The right side also. The climate here allows to have vegetables much before the season. And if you do a greenhouse, you can have it even earlier. So from this area, Israel sends vegetables and fruits and flowers to Europe. When in Europe it's winter and cold, they get fresh vegetables and flowers and whatever and fruits from the Jordan Valley. The Jordan is
Isend ko rin
on
kami
our
pictures na yun.
right side between us and Jordan. You don't see the Jordan Valley now, but you see the mountains on the other side, which are the Hashemite kingdom of Jordan.
They're eating it.
If you have a radio here, your radio will receive mostly the radio stations from Amman, from
Ay,
Jordan.
mayat ka niya yung bread ka niya, Mi.
Excuse me.
Number yun.
Bagit na 10,000. Tapos di platno ko di makanyuda.
Paano? Paano, Jerry? Jerry, paano kung ilipat ka dito? Hindi na ako. Balik ka lang ako.
Dapat masapa ka ha.
Dates yan.
Dates yan.
Pag dates, parang lagi kailangan dito. Ikit, nakamorlogs na dito mo.
Ha?
Nakamorlogs na dito yung mga kasawa.
May iba nagaramit ako. Yata.
Ito na, nakamorlogs na dito.
Plastic that is greenhouse and more than outside, and the dates also they are all irrigated by dripping. That means there is a pipe with little holes, and you can control how much water you give the plants. All computerized, all open and close according to
Bongga
the
naman.
program that the farmer makes.
Computerized?
And he can control it from his
Ang bongga. Computerized yung pag-ano nila, pag-water nila ng plants.
in order to give water to
Nakontrolado.
the plants and to the bugs.
Oh, high-tech na.
This is all an Israeli invention, and people use it all over the world, including in the Far East.
Kaya, oh.
Tapos nangasik pa yung pattern. Anong kinatamo kagabi? Generous, this is our generous tour guide from Israel, Mordecai. And he will go to the Philippines and
Ah,
he will bring me there.
when? Yeah, when?
Tomorrow, never dies.
Ay!
You can see here on the left is the
Rinig na mo,
road
naginig.
going up to Nablus. Straight.
Ganda.
Here, up. And a little bit further, it goes east. It was the cross point of the Jordan River right here. The river, don't get excited. The river is about 20 meters wide and very shallow in the summer. But this is the Jordan River. So people come from Europe or from the Philippines and they have an idea what the river is. And then they come out to the Jordan River. It's 20 minutes. They have here grapes. Grapes. They bring the first grapes. I have a lot of memories from my army service. Regular service, military, reserve.
Galing niya mag-English.